In this lesson, we will apply some effects in a sound design manner, so in that kind of a purpose. So what I wanted to do actually is get some of these synths right here, playing this line. Let me play that solo for you. So since I have a couple of those, I can actually put effects on each one separately and try to achieve something different for each one of those. So let me try a phaser on one of these, on this one. I'm going to make that phaser move by itself using an LFO. Okay, I like that as a movement. Now on the other one, I'd like a flanger. That's going to move it. So that's this one. Okay, I like that. So all of that together now. Nice. So I've added some movement to both of those, playing a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. So I'm adding different effects to these to give them kind of a movement, a color, something interesting to happen in the background. So now when I play everything, so when you see, when the whole track is playing, you can't really discern on the effects, but it's the movement. It's that, kind of a changing, evolving, interesting thing happening that makes that not really so static. Now let's go on with this. I would like to do something with this block right here. Let's hear that solo. I think that's cool, although in Massive, I'm going to add more of this reverb. I don't think that's enough. Yeah, I like that. Cool. I can add some delay to that. A tiny bit, maybe. And a bit of a low shelf attenuation like this, maybe some high shelf boosting. Okay, nice. So I think that's going to swim in better with all the rest of the sounds. Let's see that. I think I added too much reverb as it is now. Yep, that's nice. I like that. I like that. So as you see, we can add some effects into all of these for, let's say, sound design purposes. Now, with this is just a baseline. So I wouldn't actually touch it. I would leave it as it is. It's supposed to only play that bass. Let's see these two sounds that we have what's happening with them. That one is good. I think this one also handles nicely in the entire background. Maybe just a tiny bit louder. Yeah, I think this one should be less loud. Yeah. Yep, now as you've seen, I can move the volume of each one of these tracks by using my mouse, dragging up and down, clicking and dragging. I can also select the field where the volume is and use my keyboard arrows up and down, or shift and arrows up and down, which would move it by 0.1 dB at a time. So more precision, and I really tend to use that a lot, I've noticed. So let's see with the main lead, what do we have there? In the main lead area. I like this one. I like this too. This is also good. Yeah, I think these two actually fly in together quite nicely. So I think I'm going to leave everything else as it is. This is good enough. All of these effects I've added, it's only on these. So 2 synths inside of these, accompany, lines, and some adjustment to this block sound so that it flies in better with the background. Next thing, we go to EQ.